Are you tired of handwriting?
Well, the typewriter is the solution for you. The typewriter was invented thanks to Christopher Latham Scholes. The invention allows you to write letters with the push of a button.
All your friends will be wishing they could write as fast as you.
Big man Thomas would be wishing he had one while he was writing the Constitution.
Not only does it save you time, but it saves the lives of many birds. Christopher's invention has gained lots of attention, so let's ask some people what they think of it.
I type what now? I'll be darned if you can really write words that fast. I'll be able to file taxes faster than my daddy went on the Oregon Trail.
Bruh, that's wild.
Well, no one could read my handwriting. And I guess with this, my mom might have actually been able to read.
Maybe I'm foolish, and maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying.
Now that you know how much people love the typewriter, you'll love the price even more. $100 reduced. That's it.
Face 'em with that heater.